Aici îi și tăiați și torx. Arată așa. Și unul aici. And then it comes out and it looks like this. This one is working. Headlight 4x4 focus 2016 H7 12 volts 55 watts H2 12 volts 55 de watts Philips 2 conectori. Da 1, 2 și 3. Deci 1, 2 și 3. Și nouă ne trebuie asta. Ne scoți capacul de cauciuc. Așa. So here's the bulb. You have to push down this that way and then the black part will come out. So push it down and there's the bulb. Just wiggle it and it comes out. So this cut part is towards me and push it back. So it has a springy action and you have to insert it into those two on the sides. So this and that. And that's it. Same thing, remove that screw and that screw. So I lifted up the headlight from the center up. Okay, and then the large one. The same thing, push this one up. Build it until it exits. H7 12 volts 55 watts. So it has two legs, two pins, one filament, 55 watts and a single cut on the side. Okie dokie. This cut has to be there on the top. Back. This one is not working. High beam. Here both of them, high and low. High, low. The long beam has just one leg and it was there and it's kind of melted. This one has to enter to the left, there, to the left. This is the front right headlight. So this plastic is on top of that. Lift it up. That tiny one in the middle, it's working, and on the other side it's not working. So that's the bulb, the tiny one, which is up there, that one. You have to access it from the high beam. So that small one, that one, was simply pulled out. These two sides, or one side is holding it there. So from this end, just pull it out. Just pull out that one also. It's a 5-watt bulb. Așa. Asta pur și simplu apeși. E că arde. So the bulb was replaced and just push it in. That's it. Open the door and the light turns on. Okay. Close the door. On the other side is also opened. Okay. Put this cap back.